Imagine camping with your family or friends and having enough space to stand, move freely, and stay comfortable in any season. That's exactly what the Naturehike KOTA camping tent is designed for. This tent is available for 4, 6, or even 8 people, making it perfect for family camping trips, group adventures, parties, or outdoor picnics. The Naturehike KOTA is a double-layer, four-season tent. The inner mesh tent and the outer shelter can be used together or separately. In warm weather, you can use the mesh inner tent alone to enjoy fresh air and even watch the stars at night. The outer shelter can also be used by itself as a large canopy for sun or rain protection. The tent is made from high-quality 75D210T polyester with a PU 3000 mm plus waterproof coating, keeping you dry in rainy conditions. Strong aluminum alloy poles provide excellent stability and wind resistance, even in bad weather. Inside, the tent is large and tall with up to 80 inches of height, giving you plenty of headroom and standing space. The spacious interior comfortably fits up to 6 people for sleeping, while the large vestibule offers extra room for gear or relaxing. Ventilation is excellent thanks to 2 large mesh windows, 2 air vents, and 2 wide doors. This design allows fresh air to flow through the tent and helps reduce condensation during warm nights. For cold weather camping, this tent includes a stove jack, allowing you to safely use a camping stove in the vestibule while sleeping comfortably inside. Despite its size, the tent is portable and comes with a complete accessory set and a compact carry bag, making it easy to pack and transport. If you're looking for a spacious, durable, all-season family tent, the Naturehike KOTA is a powerful and reliable choice. Check the link in the description to see the latest price and availability and upgrade your next camping experience.